Scientists have discovered a way to connect with people who dream and sleep. A new phenomenon they define as interactive dreaming has been described by scientists, where people with deep sleep and lucid dreams are able to obey commands, answer simple yes or no questions, and even solve basic problems with mathematics, as well as bringing a whole new level of insight to what happens to our minds when we dream. The new research could potentially teach us how to train our dreams, for example, to motivate us towards a specific goal, or to treat a specific issue of mental health. There's plenty of sleep psychology that remains a mystery, including the stage of rapid eye movement, REM, where dreams normally happen. It could be incredibly helpful to be able to get answers from sleepers in real time, rather than depending on reports afterwards. We found that individuals in REM sleep can interact with an experimenter and engage in real-time communication, says Northwestern University psychologist Ken Pauler. We have also shown that dreamers are capable of understanding questions, engaging in operations of working memory, and generating responses. Most people might predict that this would not be possible, that people would either wake up when asked a question or fail to answer, and certainly not comprehend a question without misconstruing it. The researchers worked with 36 individuals in experiments across 4 different laboratories. One volunteer had narcolepsy and frequently experienced lucid dreams, while the others varied in terms of their experience with lucid dreaming. Scientists communicated with the study participants through spoken audio, flickering lights, and physical contact during the deepest stages of sleep, as tracked by electroencephalogram, EEGs. The sleepers were asked to answer simple math questions, count light flashes or physical touches, and answer specific yes or no questions like "Can you speak Spanish?" Answers were provided in advance by eye movements or facial muscle movements. In 47% of the sessions where lucid dreaming was confirmed by the researcher, at least one correct answer to a question was found through 57 sleep sessions. Confirmation of the lucid dreaming states was carried out blindly, with many witnesses having to agree on sleeper responses. We put the findings together because we thought that the synthesis of results from 4 different laboratories, using different methods, most convincingly attests to the truth of this two-way communication phenomenon, says Northwestern University neuroscientist Karen Konkali. In this way, we see that different means can be used to communicate. In order to get them to report on their dreams, the individuals involved in the study were typically woken up after a good response. The external inputs were recalled in some instances as being outside or overlaid on the dream. In others, something inside the dream came through them, like a radio. The researchers equate attempting to interact with lucid dreamers in the published study to trying to get in contact with an astronaut in space. And it is the immediacy of the answers that makes this new approach so exciting. In the future study of dreams, memory, and how important sleep is for repairing memories in place, research may be helpful. It might also be useful in the treatment of sleeping disorders, and it could also give us a way to train what we see in our dreams further down the road. These repeated observations of interactive dreaming, documented by 4 independent laboratory groups, demonstrate that phenomenological and cognitive characteristics of dreaming can be interrogated in real time. The researchers write in their paper, "A number of practical applications and a new strategy for the scientific study of dreams can be allowed by this relatively unexplored communication medium." In Current Biology, the study was written.